Part 1. The Dishwasher Standoff. There's something mystical about our dishwasher. It's invisible. At least, to everyone except me. Plates appear near it, bowls rest on it. But somehow, no one's ever actually met the inside of the thing. Every evening, I do a tour of the kitchen, collecting mugs from every possible location like an archaeological dig. Each one tells a story. Monday's cereal fossil, Tuesday's science experiment, Wednesday's mug welded with hot chocolate. He says I love stacking it. I also love paying bills, apparently. And yes, sometimes I restack it after he's gone. But that's not control. That's survival. No one wants lasagna baked onto the cutlery again. Coming soon, Part 2 of The Dishwasher Standoff, The Teen.